What is the relationship between Shiva and the ghosts? 3:14-24 Bhagavatam. Rudra Shiva is the king of the ghosts. The ghostly characters worship Lord Shiva to be gradually guided toward a path of self-realization. Ghosts are bereft of a physical body because of their grievously sinful acts, such as suicide. The last resort of the ghostly characters in human society is to take shelter of suicide, either material or spiritual. Material suicide causes loss of the physical body, and spiritual suicide causes loss of the individual identity. The Mayavadi philosophers desire to lose their individuality and merge into the impersonal spiritual Brahmajyoti existence. Lord Shiva, being very kind to the ghosts, sees that although they are condemned, they get physical bodies. He places them in the wombs of women who indulge in sexual intercourse regardless of the restrictions on time and circumstance. So it's very interesting that the ghost, because of his suicide or his sins, he has received a ghostly body, which is a subtle body, no gross body. But he's deeply frustrated and hankering to have the opportunity and facility to enjoy his senses through the vehicle of a gross body, which enables that fulfillment of desire. So then he, by Shiva's benediction, then the ghost is promoted to receive a gross body. Not a ghost body, a gross body. A ghost gets a gross body. But then who? Who will give birth to a ghost? So then someone is having sex at sunset and on Amavasya, and they're intoxicated. Then the ghosts will be placed there. So then he'll take birth. He'll receive a gross body. He'll be born as a human being from that woman, but he'll be ghostly. He'll have ghostly characteristics and ghostly mentality, and generally grow up and engage in a lot of abominable, aggressive and angry type activities. He won't be a saintly person. He'll be more of a demon or a asura type, but he'll have a gross body, and he'll get right to it, to drinking and intoxication, illicit sex, and all kinds of sense gratification. It's called Varna Sankara, unwanted children which create havoc in hell for society. Nowadays, the society is overrun by such ghostly creatures in the name of human beings.